which can harm personal development and may cause division and disunity among the students. As Mr. DPPSU 2025 and as an ambassador of this institution, how do you intend to promote teamwork and unity among the students despite the presence of competition among the different academic units? Good luck.
So, thank you for the wonderful question. So now I will answer the question. Sports serve as the essence where we enhance teamwork. By enhancing teamwork, we create or build camaraderie. It shows that it is not always competition, but to unite us all. And by that, I also believe in the saying of CPPSU, one CPPSU, one heart. As standing on you tonight, the proud CPES from College of Physical Education and Sports. I'm not only here as a student, I'm here as a role model of what we can achieve. That I believe strength is unity. And also, I will show you where we can achieve teamwork and collaboration. And to that, let's uphold together the spirit of sportsmanship, and that is the true champion. And I